After the first look of the Galaxy S23 Ultra's design, we now know more secrets about Samsung's next big thing. The vice president of Qualcomm and recently Sony, both of these major brands have said that smartphones will be able to surpass DSLR cameras in a few years. And Samsung, being one of the top camera hardware manufacturers, are on their way to do just that. Apart from the main 200 megapixel sensor, Samsung is bringing a very important upgrade to their zoom camera setups that can make a huge difference when it comes to handheld zoom photos and videos, especially at 10x, 30x, or even at 100x level, and improve the night mode performance. According to Galaxy Club, Samsung could be working on a brand new sensor shift stabilization for their telephoto sensors, meaning even smoother video and photo performance. Although the lenses are same as the S22 Ultra, with a new stabilization and along with an even stronger ISP with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, we are bound to see some great improvements. As for the main sensor, well, sources from Galaxy Club have pretty much confirmed that Samsung is working on a new Hexa 200 megapixel sensor for the S23 Ultra. Design-wise, the S23 Ultra looks very similar to the S22 Ultra, but there are some new changes. First up, we actually have even slimmer bezels than the S22 Ultra, which is just incredible because Samsung is pushing the boundaries as further as possible. Considering Apple just gave the brightest OLED display on any phone to the iPhone 14 Pro, it's very likely they're going to bring an even brighter or perhaps the same brightness as the iPhone 14 Pro to the S23 Ultra. The back camera lenses are actually slightly thicker than the S22 Ultra, with the two sensors on the side now flushed in for an even cleaner look. Thanks to this brand new resolution, the S23 Ultra could be the first phone to have the true 8K video recording without any crop. Now lastly, the Galaxy S23 series are still rumored to come with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 globally with no Exynos model at all. That is still the latest news. Of course, we're keeping our eyes on how the development will happen. For the first time, Samsung is giving everyone equal flagships for their money, as Exynos is a disappointment and it needs to stay away from Galaxy flagships until we see some real change in 2025. Now lastly, coming back to the statement made by Qualcomm's vice president that thanks to AI, smartphones will be able to surpass DSLR cameras in about 3 to 5 years. According to his estimation, AI will be able to create a full-fledged scene in real time with color grading, HDR, everything set according to how you want right on your phone, which is something that a DSLR camera cannot do. Smartphones are already getting so good with their portrait blur in the background, creating that DSLR feel. Just imagine the level they will achieve in about 3 to 5 years. That's all the latest news. Let me know your thoughts on the S23 Ultra in the comment section below. Subscribe if you're new here. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.